Here's the second verb, prepare. Here are the words I want you to write afterwards. Prepare to speak, not just show. Often, what people think when they're with a computer is that they have to show their work. And this happens in person as well. They'll have a PowerPoint slide, a slide deck that they've put a lot of work into. The reality is that you need to be ready to speak and not just show your message. You got to speak your message, not just show your message. If it was all about the slide deck, then guess what? You would just send everybody the slide deck as a PDF and it'd be all settled. But no, the reason why you're there presenting is because they want a presenter, not just the presentation itself. It's so vital in online communication and in other forms of communication that you really work on speaking and being ready to speak, not just show. A lot of times people spend a lot of time on the slide deck, hours and hours and hours choosing the font and the side and the animation and the background and the extra logos, hours and hours. They over-prepare on the presentation and under-prepare on the delivery. I want you to prepare to speak, not just show. Often what happens is that people work so hard and getting just the right font and the right size and the right graphics ready for whatever they're going to be showing people, the visuals. Meanwhile, they under-prepare on getting ready for the delivery and how the delivery is going to come across. I want you to switch that. Prepare on the delivery because after all, what is primary to the audience? It's not the visual. If it was just the visual, you would just send that over to them and you would be done. You wouldn't have to present. You wouldn't have to have the meeting. No. You are primary. If you're speaking, if you're presenting, if you're delivering, if you're doing a webinar, an online conference, a meeting, you are the central aspect of it. You are the one thing that cannot be replaced. No one else can be you. Now that someone else could do the message, but for whatever reason, you're doing the message. And that's the thing that can't be replaced. So over-prepare on the delivery and then prepare as needed for the presentation. Even for this right here, I don't have a visual to show you. It's just me getting this across to you. And I'm working hard to say, hey, how can I do this? How can I connect with my audience? How can I not have an obstacle of the camera, but how can I, with effort, turn that into an opportunity to help people do better for their web meetings, for their online presentations, or for whatever other type of online communication they're involved in. And here's how you do it. You speak, you prepare to speak, not just prepare the notes and the presentations and everything that you're going to show. So when you do this, you want to be thinking about, how am I going to deliver the best? And here's a couple thoughts on how to deliver best. Prepare early. The longer lead time that you have, the more content you're going to be able to prepare. So if you know that you got a presentation coming up tomorrow, you're not going to have a lot, but start as soon as you know. If you have one coming up in 2 months, start putting some ideas down on paper, start writing it down. The longer lead time you have, the better. Then the second part of preparing is practice. Practice again and again. Remember, put more into practice than in perfecting the visuals that you're going to be showing people. Put more into practice than just perfecting the visuals that you're going to show people. And then show up early. Whether that's that you're in your office at home and you had a chance to shower and get ready, or whether it's showing up in person and getting there early. The more that you are ready mentally, and the more that you are ready physically, and the more that you're ready just holistically, the better it's going to come across. That's how you prepare to speak and not just show. It's far more important for you if you have an 8 a.m. meeting and you're meeting out of your house and you're homebound to get up, shower, shave, do whatever else ladies need to do and guys need to do. You get your clothes on like you're going for work. I'm working from home today and I got a button-up shirt on. I got jeans, nice jeans on. I do have my slippers on. And then you go into your place and you get there early so that you have less stress. So you want to prepare by starting to work on it as early as you know, and then by giving yourself all of that lead time that you need to, right? And then you want to be working it the whole way by practicing it, and then you want to get there early so that you have less stress. And I say this again and again. By increasing margin, you decrease stress. And that's what it means to prepare to speak, not just show.